Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix no network connection problem on TikTok in 2022. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply go back to your home screen. So guys, after that what you have to do is just simply check that your connection is strong enough or not. If it's not strong, then what you have to do is just simply forward this and again reconnect it. After doing this, what you have to do is just go back again and open settings in your phone, and here you have to tap on app management, then go to app settings and here search for TikTok and then tap on permissions. So make sure that you have allowed all the permissions. So after doing this, what you have to do is just simply go back to this menu, then tap on force stop and then again tap on storage and cache. From here what you have to do is just simply tap on clear cache and clear storage. After doing this, what you have to do is just simply check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is still not fixed, then what you have to do is just simply open Play Store in your phone and then search for TikTok and make sure that you have an updated version. I have already updated. So what you have to do is just simply go back again, and what you have to do is just simply restart your phone. After doing this, your problem definitely will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.